Hey there, moneymakers! If you're on the lookout for a surefire way to fill your PayPal account with cash, you're in for a treat. In this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to earn substantial amounts of free PayPal money using just your mobile phone. The strategies I'm about to unveil are not only global but also refreshingly simple and quick. So, let's dive in and discover how you can make $6 every single minute. Before I reveal how to do this, drop a comment down below telling me your location. Like, I'm from blank, aka your country, with your goal of how much money you want to make online. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from. And trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. Also, don't forget, I've got some bonus websites coming your way later that can help you rake in double or even triple the cash compared to others. So make sure to stick around and watch till the end. Now, let's get back to the good stuff in the video. Imagine earning $6 every minute. Sounds good to be true, right? Well, this amazing website is making it a reality for people worldwide. The best part? You can do it all from your smartphone, PC, or any device you have at your fingertips. Now, check this out. People from all around the globe are making over $6 every minute. Stick around till the end of the video and I'll guide you step by step on how to pocket $6 every 60 seconds. Whether you're on your smartphone, PC, or any other device, you're good to go. This opportunity is open to everyone worldwide, so no need to worry about your location. By the time you finish watching, I'll show you the ropes on signing up for free, earning money on this site, cashing out your earnings, and I've got some bonus websites to throw in too. These extra platforms can beef up your earnings. First things first, head over to this awesome website. It's the spot where we can score some free PayPal cash. And yeah, it's totally free. On this site, you can rack up some money by doing easy stuff like checking out cool videos and doing quick surveys. I get it, surveys can be a snooze fest and time consuming, but no stress here. This site is different, and that's why I'm all about it. The surveys on this site are a breeze, taking only about 2 minutes to knock out. But hey, if surveys aren't your thing, no problem. You can make money by doing simple offers that are a walk in the park. Check it out, they pay out pretty quickly. Plus, what's cool is they give you plenty of options to cash out. I love that about this site. No PayPal? No problem. You can cash in through Skrill, grab some Amazon gift cards, tango it up, or even go for the Bitcoin option. And guess what? The best part is you can pull it off with just your phone. Actually, it works even smoother on your phone than on your laptop or PC. Hey, quick heads up. Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Be one of the first in the know and stack that cash. Alright, let's get you signed up for free. Just hit that join free button. It'll land you on their sign up page. Just input your name, username, cook up a password, and throw in your email. Then, drop your address, city, zip, and pick your country. It's worldwide, my friend. Whether you're in India, the Philippines, United States, Indonesia, Nigeria, or anywhere else on the map. Once you've chosen your country, pick your option for cashing out. Check these boxes, tick the CAPTCHA, and hit that register button. You're in. Check it out once you've got your account set up. You're officially in the game. Now look at what it says right here. We have already added your 20 cents join bonus to your account balance, and you will be able to make your first cash out when your balance is over $1. How cool is that? Just need to rack up a measly dollar to start pulling in the earnings. Awesome, right? Now, let's dive into the money-making part of this site. Hit up that Earn Money button. Here's loads of surveys up for grabs. And like I mentioned before, they're a breeze. Now, click on Popular Surveys. You'll find the top-paying surveys that you can knock out for free. Now, take a look at these surveys. We got one tossing 30 cents our way, another one dishing out 50 cents, and some even going up to 85 cents. Easy cash, right? And the cool part is, you're not stuck with a limited number of surveys like on other sites. Here, it's unlimited survey time. But wait, there's more. It's not just about surveys. You can score by completing offers, watching videos, and even bringing in your buddies for some extra cash. Talk about options. But hey, real quick before I reveal this amazing website, if you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes. And if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video soon to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. If this is the first video you've seen from us, go ahead and check out our other content to find other fortune tips suitable for you. So what's this website, you're wondering? It's rewardingways.com. But hold your horses before you hit up this site and sign up, because I've got the steps on cashing out and some extra sites for you. So, how do we get our earnings? Easy. Jump on the homepage and hit that withdraw cash button. Once you're there, you can cash in through PayPal, Skrill, or even get yourself some Bitcoin. If you've got all these steps down, hurry up on rewardingways.com and create your account to start earning. Alright, here's the extra scoop I mentioned earlier. The bonus websites to amp up your cash flow. Meet Timebucks.com. This site is awesome because it pays you for doing some fun stuff like posting on TikTok, checking out funny slideshows, gaming, and even installing apps. Oh, and don't forget, they'll toss you some cash just for watching short videos. What's even cooler? Daily bonuses. Log in, get some freebies. No waiting around for weeks to start earning. Sign up today and you can start splurging on whatever you fancy. So just swing by Timebucks.com. Signing up is a breeze. You can go the quick route and sign in with Facebook in just one click, and you're in. Or, if you're feeling old school, toss in your email and create a password. Once you've got your account, log in, and you're in the club. Check out these people from all corners of the globe, raking in cash every few minutes. Whether you're from India, the Philippines, or anywhere else globally, Timebucks.com has something for everyone. The earning possibilities are endless. From surveys to watching short videos, you're in control. Super simple stuff. Just hit up the Earn section. Dive into various surveys, tasks, and the cool part, you can pocket some cash by watching videos under the offer walls and tasks. It's all happening on Timebucks.com. Sign up, enjoy the perks, and the best part, you don't need to throw in any cash to get started. Easy money, no strings attached. And there you have it, a foolproof guide to earning free PayPal money with just your mobile phone. If you're hungry for even more cash, check out our other content to increase your earning potential. Remember, the key to success is consistency. So hit that like button, subscribe with notifications on, and stay tuned for more money-making tips in the comfort of your home. Until next time, happy earning!